H-1 visa, they give a 2-year temporary green card, and after this you have to do a permanent one, which is for 10 years. Because of the current situation in the country, we have a local campaign, so I'm worried that it may take some time.
Download Moj.